Linking your bank account to Apple Pay allows you to make secure payments directly from your bank. Follow these steps to set it up easily. Step 1. Open the Wallet app. Launch the Wallet app on your iPhone. This is where you manage your payment methods and set up Apple Pay. Step 2. Add a payment method. Tap on the ++ in the upper right corner to add a new payment method. You will be prompted to choose between adding a credit/debit card or linking a bank account. Step 3. Select bank account. Choose the option to link a bank account. You may need to enter your bank routing number and your account number. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter the required information. Step 4. Verify your account. After entering your bank details, Apple will need to verify your account. This may involve sending a small deposit to your bank account, which you will need to confirm within the app. Step 5. Complete setup. Once your bank account is verified, you will receive a confirmation message. Your bank account is now linked to Apple Pay and you can start using it for transactions. Now you can enjoy the convenience of making payments directly from your bank account using Apple Pay.